In this video, I'd like to give you a brief introduction to this external DTT antenna. The code for this particular model is the ASP Digi-12, and what it is it's a 12 element UHF, so it's a broadband UHF antenna that's designed for DTT reception. You would install this antenna externally on a pole or a mast up quite high and in line of sight of the transmission source. So you would make sure that this points to the appropriate direction of where the transmitter is located. You can see it's got a little F connector input there, and you would run your coax cable from here all the way down through to your television. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you need some help, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you.